Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is about do until loop in VBA. So if you want to repeat a set of VBA statement until a specific condition becomes true, the do until loop is very useful. What is the do until loop? It repeats a block of code again and again until the specified condition becomes true. Simply saying doing something until the condition is true. For example, if we want to use a do until loop to keep increasing a number until it reaches 10. So we need do until loop. So let's see the syntax. There are two common ways to use a do until loop. Syntax 1 is condition is at the end. Do until condition code to be executed, then the loop. Means the loop will reiterate. Here VBA checks the condition before executing the loop. If the condition is already true, the loop will not execute even once. Then comes syntax 2, in which the condition is written at the end. So here the syntax becomes do, code to be executed, loop until condition. Here VBA execute the code first and check the condition afterward. There the loop will execute at least once. So let's check this statement with an example. Print number 1 to 10 in A1 to A10. So for that you will start writing do until example and you will declare I as integer, setting the value of I as 1, and now we'll write our loop do until. So do until means repeat the task until I value become more than 1, because we want numbers 1 to 10. Next we will give the code to be executed. So we want it to be printed in cell I, 1 means 1 1 2 1 3 1 means A1 A2 A3. So in this way it will print in the desired space, then setting it the value of I, then increasing it with 1, so the loop continues. And here our program is written. We have given the code for writing 1 to 10 in A1 to A10. So let's run this code and it has printed 1 to 10 in A1 to A10. So now comes the question, what is the difference between do until and do while? So there is a simple difference to remember. Do while is working with the condition while the condition is true, while do until, do it until the condition becomes true. For example, do while will print I is less than equals to 10, means the loop continues where I is less than equals to 10 is true, whereas do until I is less than 10 means the loop continues until I is less than 10. So it is completely opposite of do while. Both can sometimes achieve the same result, but the way we express the condition is different. So that's all for today's video on do until loop in VBA. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more VBA and Excel tutorials. Thank you for watching.